Here's the top 10 list of richest coaches in Africa as of this year. Starting off at number 10, we've got the legendary Claude Leroy, the mastermind behind Cameroon's AFCON win in 1988 and a coach who took Congo to the quarterfinals in 2002. He is rumored to be earning around about 30,000 euros per month, which is equal to 580,000 rands, and that is 6.9 million rands annually, excluding bonuses. He is also the best-selling author, making an extra 1 million euros yearly from book sales and consulting. And guess what? He's just announced a new book exposing African football secrets. That's an instant bestseller incoming. His net worth is 103.5 million rands. Coming in at number 9, we have Florent Ibenge, a Congo-born football genius with over 40 years of coaching experience. He is rumored to be earning 35,000 euros per month, which sums up to 676,000 a month and 8.2 million annually. Bear in mind, this is all without bonuses. He won AFCON in 2016 with DR Congo and lifted Lena Foods trophies 3 times with AS Vita. But here's the kicker. He's now coaching Al Hilal in Sudan, where he's raking in a cool 2 million euros in bonuses alone. His net worth is 205 million rands. At number 8, we have a French-born coach who has coached multiple African teams, including Niger and DR Congo. He's rumored to be earning 29 million rands per year, including bonuses. He led Lens to the French Championship in 1998 and stacked up major consulting and coaching deals. This mystery coach is worth 256 million rands. Next up, we have Hugo Broos, the Belgian mastermind behind Cameroon's 2017 AFCON win. He's rumored to be earning 1.5 million rands a month, which is 18 million rands annually. With bonuses, that's a cool 75 million rands per year. This guy has won 23 trophies as a player and even played in the 1986 World Cup, finishing 4th with Belgium. Off the field, he's making stacks from business partnerships and media work. Now he's leading South Africa's Bafana Bafana and building his fortune even further. That's why he's worth 350 million rands. At number 6, we have got German super coach Geno Röhr, a man who's been stacking up trophies and millions for decades. He is rumored to be earning 48 million rands annually, bonuses included. Bear in mind, he has won 9 major trophies including UEFA Champions League with Bayern Munich, led Nigeria to a 3rd place finish at AFCON 2019, pocketing a staggering 38 million rands in bonuses. Extra income, well, that's coaching, consulting and high-paid speaking gigs. Now he's the head coach of Benin and his bank account keeps growing. His net worth is 387 million rands. At number 5, we have the true Egyptian legend Hassan Shehata, the only coach to win 3 back-to-back AFCON titles. He won them in 2006, 2008 and 2010. He made 134.8 million rands from contracts, bonuses and winnings. He has also been named the best coach in Africa in 2008 and African Coach of the Year in 2010. Now he is a football analyst stacking even more cash, 450 million rands net worth. That's insane. Cracking the top 4, we have Aliou Cisse, the Senegalese national hero. He led Senegal to AFCON glory in 2022, stacked up 7 million rands from bonuses, endorsements and deals. He has been named the AFCON coach of the tournament in 2019 and CAF coach of the year in 2022, and his net worth 500 million rands. Dang. At number 3, we have got Vladimir Petkovic, the current Algerian national team boss. His earnings are 2.6 million rands per month, skyrocketing to 10.2 million rands with bonuses, plus 6 million rands yearly from media appearances and consulting. He has led Switzerland to their first ever Euro quarterfinal and won Coppa Italia with Lazio in 2013. His net worth is 560 million rands. Second place goes to MS Faye, the Ivory Coast national team coach and former pro player. He is rumored to be earning 3.5 million rands a month, which is 80 million rands per year including bonuses. He won AFCON in 2013 with Ivory Coast and AFCON Best Coach Award in 2023. He makes an extra 15 million rands from media, transfer fees and football academies. This guy went from winning the FIFA Under-17 World Cup as a player to becoming one of Africa's richest coaches. His net worth is 745 million rands. And finally, at number 1, we have Walid Regragui, the king of African coaching. He is rumored to be earning 4.6 million rands a month plus 154.1 million rands in AFCON winnings and sponsorships. He led Morocco to the 2022 World Cup semi-finals, knocking out Portugal with CR7 on the field. His major stakes come from coaching, sports ventures and endorsements. 870 million. This guy is on another level with his net worth. Well, and that's it. The top 10 richest African coaches in 2025. Which coach shocked you the most? Drop a comment below, smash that like button if you enjoyed this and hit subscribe so you never miss another crazy football video. See you on the next one, The Soccer.